Good morning, scholars, and welcome to station number 1. Here we are going to review how to make a thesis and how to work on your introduction paragraph. So, before we begin, let's review the parts of our DBQ. Here is the packet, blue packet, make sure you have it out. Our question is the game Pokemon Go beneficial for society? And that's going to be up to you. You should have chosen it either is or is not beneficial. Once you have decided if it is or is not beneficial, you are going to create a claim statement. The first option is Pokemon Go is beneficial because, or Pokemon Go is not beneficial because. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that on my graphic organizer for the introduction paragraph and my thesis. Pokemon Go is beneficial to society because. Okay. Pokemon Go is beneficial because. Now we have our claim statement. Think about it. How many reasons do we need? Think about it. Remember the number of paragraphs in an essay. We've got our intro, 3 body, and a conclusion. So if you guessed 3 reasons, you are correct. So we need 3 reasons. So I'm going to make spaces for 1, 2, and 3. So your 3 reasons would be here. Now what I would like to do is I'm going to show you how to color code your documents. So I'm saying that the game Pokemon Go is beneficial. I'm going to go back to the documents. So this is the front. We've got our background essay and then our documents, A through E. I remember from doing the activity of answering the questions that document A is a positive article, or it says that it is beneficial. So I'm going to take my blue marker and I'm going to square off document A. Like that. And I'm going to write number 1 next to it. The reason I'm doing that is because if you go back to your thesis, whatever idea I take from document A is going to be my first reason. So for example, document A states that to summarize, it makes it sound like you get very active because you get to see historical landmarks. So my reason would be because you can see the world. Okay, that's it. It's a summary. But my evidence would be something different, and we'll talk about that in station 2. Okay, so that would be number 1, because you can see the world. That's a positive benefit of Pokemon Go. Now, I'm going to take my yellow highlighter and go to document C, which is the graph. Okay, this is also showing that Pokemon Go is beneficial because it shows that a lot of people are using it, so it can make you more social. You can talk with people about it, and that's just something that I perceive or I see from the document. It doesn't say that, but social media is a way to communicate with others. So to me, using the evidence, it's saying that Pokemon Go makes you more social. And it says Pokemon Go is taking up a ton of users' time, meaning allowing you to make more friends. So you'll explain that again in station number 2. So that's this one. Like that. And then you would do the third for a third reason. Those will be your 3 reasons in a thesis statement. Again, when you write a thesis statement, it is 1 sentence. I'll repeat that. A thesis statement is 1 sentence with a claim, because, and 3 reasons. Okay? A lot of you have already shown me that you take sentences out of the documents very well, but those do not go in your thesis. you summarize and think of 2 to 3 words that summarize why it's good or why it is bad. Okay? Now to talk more about your introduction paragraph, your hook. Your hook goes first. It's one sentence. It's either a quote, fun fact, or something interesting about Pokemon Go. Then here, this part, you're going to write 3 to 4 sentences that tell your reader, and in this case, we're going to pretend your reader is Noah. Okay, you're going to tell Noah what Pokemon Go is. Not how you feel about it, not if it's good or bad, but what is it? It's a game for the iPhone or the smartphone. It is something that gets you outside. You have to go outside to play, and it's not something that you can play only from your house. So those are 3 facts about Pokemon Go. You've learned about facts from Mr. Shiver. Fact versus opinion. Opinion is how you feel about something. It could change from person to person. In our background information, only list facts. Okay, so that tell you about Pokemon Go. Okay, so for example, the first one would be, my first sentence would be, Pokemon Go is beneficial. I'm sorry, not beneficial. Scratch that. Pokemon Go is a game for smartphones. Okay, that's my first sentence. Pokemon Go is a game for smartphones. That is a fact. It is a game. Doesn't tell you how I feel about it, if it's good or bad. It just tells you what it is. Okay? And then again, the hook is up to you. I want to see what you can do with that. It's a quote or a sentence from the background essay, something to catch that reader's attention, hook the reader's attention. Okay? So again, the order is hook, background information, thesis statement. This thesis, all of you should have written already. It's on that piece of paper that I handed back and I gave you feedback. So you just copy that right here. Okay? The rest of it should be filled out. Once you're completed with this page of your DBQ, you'll move on to station number 2. Okay, again, if you have questions, whisper to 3 before you ask me. Otherwise, good luck.